welcome to this special video. I got something in the mail. I got a Leither Co box and I am so excited to open this and see what kind of goodies I have. But also I am a little sad because this will be the last Leither Co box that I will be receiving for a little while at least. I want to invest my money into some other things right now, and I also want to in the future try some other subscription boxes. And so in order to do that, I have to manage my money wisely, and so I have decided to stop receiving these boxes for a little while. But if you're ready to go and see what's inside this one, let's get started. So, first thing I have to do is cut the tape. And I could have done this ahead of time, but I really wanted you guys to see that I truly waited. So, well, this one is really on here. Ah, there we go. Let's see if I can pop this open the rest of the way. There we go. All right. I'm letting you guys look first. All right. And I just simply cut through that to open it up. So excited! This time I'm gonna let us both look at the same time. All right. So it looks like we got like some browns and some pinks, and it's called Neapolitan Worsted 100% Southwest or SW Merino, 218 yards, 100 grams. All right, kind of stumbled through that, and let's see how appropriate. I love it. Look at our little stitch marker. It's an ice cream cone. That is so cute. That is so adorable. Oh, I love it. All right. And then the hook. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this hook, you guys. I'm sorry, I peeked first. Oh my gosh. I am so going to miss getting my hooks, but you know, I can always go on there and purchase the hooks, but oh my gosh, I love that. And it's an H hook, so it's one that I do use a lot of. Oh, I am so in love with that hook. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? And see, it's an H. Oh my gosh, which makes it a 5mm hook. Perfect for all the baby blankets that I'll be doing. Oh my goodness. So excited over that. Okay, so obviously, this is Leither Co.'s ice cream collection. And Ashley did a great job. Oh, so excited. All right, so our first pattern let me try and show you this without showing any of the pattern, are these fingerless mittens. And then the second pattern is an ice cream cozy for your cup, or your ice cream, I guess. All right. So in love with that. For me, I'm going out on a bang, but oh my goodness. This will not be the last Leither Co hook I get. I am so in love with that. And that is very, very pretty. And there's more of the brown in there. How about that? And it's so soft. It is really soft. Well guys, that has been our special video on the Leither Co unboxing for the ice cream collection. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I am going to thoroughly enjoy my little ice cream stitch marker. And I'm gonna love using this hook. That is a conversation starter. That is amazing. I'm so excited over my hook. Well, have a great day and be joyful. Stay crafty in your own way and make your own joyful creations. Bye.